We are taking a look at this Pro keyboard. Comes with a key remover, power supply cable, looks like plenty of length, Type-C, USB, manual. Whoo! Look at this. So the keys are right on here, so they're not on the top. So on the top, it looks very sleek. This is nice. Let's turn off some lights so you guys can actually appreciate the colors. All right. Ooh. Nice lighting. So I like the lighting. It's very cool. It's bright enough as well. This is nice. Of course, you guys know it is wireless, but you can use it with the wired cable that they provide you with if you want, because you can switch from 2.4G to USB to Bluetooth just by switching this over. You also have this little button right here. You can switch it from Macintosh to Windows. So if you want to use it with your Mac, no problem. If you want to use it with the Windows, no problem. I love this. This is nice. This is very sleek. Of course, you have your tilt here. Right in here is the USB. Now you're going to plug this into your USB port, and this is going to be how you use it. If you want to use it with, use it wireless. Look at it. It's even got lights on the sides here. Look at that. That's awesome. That's really cool. Yeah, this is nice. Really nice. You even got your print screen up there. Now for those wondering about the sound. It's definitely quiet compared to other keyboards of the same size. Yeah, this is nice. This is a really nice keyboard. I think you guys are going to love this.